Namaste, I'm Shivani. Welcome one more time to my YouTube channel, Sanskrit Mantras. Today we're going to start a new series of mantras to the Divine Mother. In this series of mantras, we're going to chant to different aspects of the Divine Mother with different attributes and boons. So today, the mantra that we're learning today is the mantra to the Divine Mother as the sovereign of all creation. Salutations to the Divine Mother as sovereign of all creation. In this case, because we're chanting to the Divine Mother as sovereign of all creation, this is a very useful mantra to chant for Mother Earth. So when we have a situation that we want to chant to heal Mother Earth, to bring peace and harmony to Mother Earth, to the world at large, this is the perfect mantra for that. So it's a very simple mantra. It starts with the Sanskrit symbol Om, representing the creation of the universe, and then the name of the deity with a feminine termination, with its Bhuvaneshwari. So it's Om Bhuvaneshwariye. Om Bhuvaneshwariye Namaha. I salute you. So we're going to chant this mantra 108 times, and here we go. Om Bhuvaneshwariye Namaha. 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 Om Bhuvaneshwariyai 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 Namaha. Que tengas una jornada llena de bendiciones. May you have a blessed day. Tatastu.